My name is Arya. Of PPT, I can love CTM. Of PPT, I can love my mother. My mother name is Malka. She got up early in the morning. She cooks our meals. She got up early. She helps me to do my homework. She is very hard.